Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know it's AC season 2024. If you have a 2010 Arcadia or any kind of vehicle as such, all you have to do on this particular line, this right here is your high side. You can't recharge nothing there. You can't do anything with that aspect. But here is the low side. You follow this line. It goes up under here all the way down. You follow this line and it goes all the way down there, right by your oil filter. Let me wipe the lens. I do apologize. I'm out in the field. Right down there by the oil filter, you literally will have, and I'm going to pull the can as much as I can, and you can see where it's connected to, all the way down. Right where my finger's at, way down there. It's very hard to see, but right where it is literally sitting like this. The oil filter is like this. It sits like this. So if you're looking for where to recharge or do any service to this vehicle, there's where you're going to go. This is just a mechanic tip to help people. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you for being wonderful customers, wonderful subscribers, and future subscribers. And please leave positive comments. Thank you, and opinions.